Kasorkar jilla kalalong kabalakre la da wanlin syambiang ka klam COVID-19 ha ka jilla. Haba ay jingkren shikilat pathay u secretary katanat ka kwait kakia Uram Kumar ula pantib. Bakidon sangot ki balaya bid ya ka jingpang hinnin kasni. Da ka babendra balakmi linti ru bakin yo I ya bun ba ki brew ki banya bid ya ka jingpang ha kini gisni banwan. Katkum ka jingya thu juang u omsham ladon ki balasya bad ha ki jaka sumar. Ba ula pantib ru ba ka jingdon jang ki kamrat ya COVID ha ki jaka sumar lahab ban pintre kambiang lada don kam ha ka nugun kapor. Ukumar ula ong ru baka sorkar jilla kan kmi thu ya ka jinglong jingman hashwa man pinbana ya kino ki jing pentip syakipat ba ha ka bayadai ba ka jingbot ya ki kendon jong ka klam COVID-19. Sure ula ong ba on kentiu ya ka jingbon jong ki nongtre da ka bathung biang ya ki leng ba ka contract lada idon kam.
Today we have had 5 COVID cases, and tomorrow we are expecting similar number or slightly higher in number. But the most important point is that we need to always have a look into that in terms of our preventive aspect. In terms of preparation, we still have the COVID hospital, which is there. As of now, we don't have any patients, but we have the COVID wards, which were there in many hospitals, can be immediately reactivated wherever this has to be required. So, and we have created a lot of additional isolation centers. We have the 100-bedded facility even in near the Ganeshas Hospital, which is in Tura, it has been created. So we have enough facilities in that sense. We should not have any issue.